Evening viewer, welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a breaking news. Sleep means peace. Sleep may serve as more than rest for the mind. It may also function as essential upkeep for the body's energy systems. A new study from University of Oxford researcher published in Nature shows that the drive to sleep is caused by electrical stress building up in the tiny energy producing structure of brain cells. This finding provides a concrete physical explanations for the biological need for sleep and has the potential to reshape scientific thinking about sleep, aging, and neurological disorders. The research team, led by Professor Zero Mai Senbok from the Department of Physiology, Anatomy, and Genetics, and Dr. Rafael Sarnataro at Oxford Center for Neural Circuits and Behavior discovered that sleep is triggered when the brain responds to a subtle imbalance in energy. The central role lies with the mitochondria, microscopic organelles that convert oxygen and food into usable energy. In certain sleep regulating neurons studied in fruit flies, mitochondria that become overloaded begin leaking electrons, and this leakage produces harmful byproducts called reactive oxygen species. And the leak function as a signal that forces the brain into sleep, allowing balance to be restored before cellular damage spreads further. You don't want your mitochondria to leak too many electrons, said Dr. Sarnataro. When they do, they generate reactive molecules that damage cells. The team also discovered that specialized neurons behave like circuit breakers. They monitor the electron leak from mitochondria and trigger sleep once a critical threshold is reached by alerting how these cells managed their energy. So, either increasing or reducing electron flow, the scientists were able to directly control the amount of sleep in fruit flies. Even replacing electrons with energy from light using proteins borrowed from microorganisms had the same effect: more energy, more leak, more sleep. Professor my sandbox said we set out to understand what sleep is for and why we feel the need to sleep at all. Despite decades of research, no one had identified a clear physical trigger. Our findings show that the answer may lie in the very processes that fuels our body's aerobic metabolism. So, in certain sleep regulating neurons, we discovered that mitochondria, the cell's energy producers, leak electrons when there is an oversupply. When the leak becomes too large, these cells act like circuit breakers, tripping the systems into sleep to prevent overload. Amazing, sir. We have this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.